Hello guys, so today we're gonna change this expansion tank on this 2007 BMW 328i. This one is leaking from the rim right here, so we just bought a new one. This is my friend's car and we're about to change it. So what you're gonna do now, we're gonna pull these 210 bolts right here, and then we're gonna take off this clip, this hose right here, and there's another sensor clip underneath the bottom. We're gonna show you when we get to that one. So there's the sensor right here, and you have a small nipple on the reservoir that sits in this hole right here. So we're gonna just unclip this, take this hose off. We already undo the clip and this clip. Just gonna take those off. So same how we remove the hose right here, just put it on the new reservoir, clip the new sensor on that side, and all we gotta do now is put these 210 bolts in, and then connect this one right here, and then we just fill that shit with antifreeze and bleed it, and we're all set. And that's how you change a reservoir in an E90. So easy, even Emma could do it. Right, Emma?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you show them how to do it?
I got candies.
That's your candy?
Yeah.
Can I get some?
No.
Really?
No.
You gonna do me that on camera?
No.
Damn. Alright, that's alright.
Yeah.